Class 8, Subject Maths, Lesson number 8, Quadrilateral Construction and its types. We have learnt the types of the quadrilaterals in earlier standards as square, rectangle, trapezium, kite, rhombus and parallelogram. Let's learn how to draw it. We know the elements of the quadrilateral, that each quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angles, angle A, angle D, angle C and B here, 4 angles, 4 sides and 2 diagonals. These are the 2 diagonals. So every quadrilateral has 10 elements. From that, if we know 5 elements, we can draw a quadrilateral. There are 4 conditions. So let's see one by one. First is to construct a quadrilateral if the length of 4 sides and a diagonal is given. Here in the example, to construct the quadrilateral PQRS such that length of the PQ is 5.6 centimeter, length of the QR equals to 5 centimeter, length of the PS is 4.3 centimeter, length of the RS is 7 centimeter and the length of the QS is 6.2 centimeter. This is the rough figure of the PQRS quadrilateral. To get the clear idea, we have to draw the rough figure of the each construction. This is the PQRS. We know the length of the PQ, QR, RS and PS, and this one diagonal QS is given 6.2 centimeter. If you observe neatly, with this diagonal, this quadrilateral is divided into the 2 triangles. This is the QS diagonal. This is the triangle SQR. This is the triangle SPQ. So due to this diagonal, we get the 2 triangles here. And we have learnt already how to draw the triangle. This is the side SQ. If we know the length of the QR and SR, we can draw this triangle here. We can draw this triangle also with the help of these 2 sides. So let's start the construction. First of all, we have to draw the diagonal QS, which will be the base of the triangle. So the diagonal QS is of 6.2 centimeter. So let's draw first the QS, which is of 6.2 centimeter. Then we will draw the side SR and QR. For that, we have to take the measure in our compass. The SR has length 7 centimeter. So let's take 7 centimeter in our compass. Draw the arc. Now we have to take the distance QR of 5 centimeter. Open your compass up to 5 centimeter. Place it on another point and cut the previous arc. Now we can join this intersection point. Name the points S, Q, and this is the point R. Now let's draw SP and PQ. Take a compass. The length of the PQ is 5.6 centimeter. So we'll take 5.6. Place it on point Q. And draw the arc. Now take the distance PS, that is 4.3. So open your compass up to 4.3. Open your compass up to 4.3. Then place it at point S and draw the arc. Let's join the points. This is our point P. Mention the measure of each side. Here 6.2 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5.6 centimeter and 4.3 centimeter. So this is our required quadrilateral according to the first condition, means the length of 4 sides is given, RS, RQ, QP and SP, and the length of one diagonal is given. That time how to construct the quadrilateral we have completed it.